Let's talk about the tab Schedule under the Settings section on the SafeDNS dashboard. I'll tell you about schedule management on this tab. Also, you can get full information about the settings in our guides under the Help section. SafeDNS Schedule allows you to flexibly manage internet access depending on the time. For example, disable access to entertainment websites at a certain time. Schedule logic is following. Select custom policy is applied at the selected time. Default policy is applied at all other times. We have a policy named Policy 2, so let's use the schedule to set the time when it will be active. In the status column to the right of Policy 2, switch the slider to the active position and click on the gear icon. In the table opened, mark the days of the week and the time when Policy 2 will be active. The rest of the time, the default policy will be active. Click Save, and after 3 to 5 minutes, the new settings will be applied. Please keep in mind that you can always set the needed filtering rules of a policy under the Categories tab. For the schedule to work correctly, you need to properly specify the time zone in your account settings. That's all for the Schedule tab. More information about filtering settings you can find in our Guide section under the tab Help.